Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 17. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is go into your setting. From your setting here, you're going to look for Apple Intelligence and Siri. You're going to click on that. After you go there, you're going to see a couple options here, but the option we want to do is talk to Siri. You're going to tap on that. And you have two different ways to basically set up Siri. You can do commands such as Siri or Hey Siri, or if you want Hey Siri to respond, you'll select the second option. So I'm going to do the first one. And when you do that, you're going to be prompted with a couple of prompts that you should basically say with your voice so that Siri can recognize your voice. So we're going to hit continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And once you say these commands and it recognizes your voice, Siri is going to be ready to use. So you're going to hit done. And now we have Siri turned on. Now Siri will respond to Siri or Hey Siri when you say that on your device. Additionally, you can also activate Siri with the side button if you turn on this setting where it says press for side button. So as you can see, if I do that, it'll activate Siri. Or if I say, Hey Siri, it'll also go and activate Siri just like that. Now, another thing you might want to consider doing along with that is if you want Apple Intelligence, you want to turn that setting on in addition to Siri. But this is only optional for Siri. It'll just boost the Siri response and intelligence on your device. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.